Hi, I'm Sam's grandpa, and I wanted to show everybody what I do for a hobby now that I'm retired. I got inspired by this table here that a friend found in Phoenix. So I figured I'll try and make one, and started out doing one like this, which is a little bit different, my own twist to it. And then some of my other friends say, hey, we want a beer table too. So, because most of them drink beer. So I made a compromise, and we have beer and wine. But nice thing about these is they fold up for you, so you can take them camping and throw them in the back of your car or whatever, go to concerts, stuff like that. So anyway, I kind of like to show you how I make them, or just a little quick tutorial on them. So come into my dusty shop. And got all my tools: drill press, bandsaw, my chop saw, and a little table saw back here that I roll out because there's not a lot of room down here. Anyway, these are the components that I use, that I make. This is actually 2 pieces of wood glued together like this with biscuits, then cut out around with my bandsaw. Then I use my drill press to drill these holes with hole saws. Then bandsaw, I'll cut out this notch in here. A lot of sanding, and then I'll make these up to go underneath so your drink won't fall through. And now here's the legs part of it. Make a donut out of 2x4, and this is also a piece of 2x4. But drill in 2 different size holes, and drill these holes for the pins. And now I have to make my own special hinge parts because I can't find them anywhere to buy them. So I take a piece of this channel aluminum, cut it at say 10-degree angle, drill it, sand it, or not sand it, but I got some files, smooth it out, and now I have all my pivot pieces for the legs that'll fold up. This will go in here. You'll have this piece hinged on here, then it hinges on this and here. Anyway, that's pretty much the short of it. So anybody interested I'd love to show somebody how to make a table. Anyway, that'll be about it, I think, because I'm not too long-winded here. So bye for now.